Ravindra Ji from Free Akshay Jewelers. Please welcome Mr. Ravindra.
Good evening all. Jai Shri Ram. నేను ఇప్పుడు మా షాప్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అంటే హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంది, కానీ ఓల్డ్ స్టైల్లో చెప్పాలనుకుంటే భరతఖండే భరతవర్షే దక్షిణ దిగ్భాగే గోదావరి సమీపే కృష్ణా నदी సమీపే చార్మినార్ సమీపే पैटनी सेंटर है अक्षय ज्वेलर्स है रविंद्र मिन्ना सिल्वर बिजनेस. So we are silver business since 35 years. All varieties of we have, like dinner sets, puja sets, dining table sets. Any type of silver gifting starting from 50 rupees to 51,000, and we take bulk orders also. This is glass is here, you see half kg में आपको 50 pieces आ जाएगा. Same ऐसा exactly ये पूजा टेम्पल वर्क्स पूरा कराते हैं. जो भी टेम्पल्स का ऑर्डर से तो हमारे कनेक्ट कर सकते. So and ये नेमिंग सेरेमनी के लिए झूला सिल्वर का वुड के ऊपर जो भी है काम करवाते पूरा. So coins, you need coins within 3 hours we make the coins for to 500 pieces, 300 pieces, any type. And you are giving your logo, we'll put your logo within 2 days for making die. One thing is any your company is there gifting purpose, we do the die cost will be free for our estates members. Anytime you will contact me, we will do the free for that coins that is, and we deal with pure silver bars also. And today silver rate is very high, showing NTV 1,02,000 I think so. We offer silver articles per kg 97,500 today. So anyone in your context, marriage purpose, anything puja purpose in your context, please connect me. And puja items and idols also we make by orders also. And puja part photo frames. And today I bring to Balaji on Ramlala. Today offer is 14,000, 12,000 is there, and we discount 2,000 rupees per each. Anyone want to take it today? Yes. Ramlala to yeah, 12,000. It is coming by 10,000 only today offer. It is totally different silver and gold. Completely different. Ramlala in famous in India today for our मोदी जी जो लॉन्च करने का टाइम पे सिल्वर ही लेके गया. एक ऊपर एक किरीट और एक प्लेट और कुछ भी नहीं लेके नहीं गया ऐसा इनॉग्रेशन टाइम पे. सो सिल्वर इज ग्रोइंग लाइक gold today is 90 lakhs per kg, silver is 1 lakh per kg today. So many distance is there for rising in futures. Silver using in cars, electric cars and flights also, and any electric mobiles and computers also. That is for rustless item in the silver. Silver lo భోజనం చేస్తే లైఫ్ స్పాన్ పెరుగుతుంది. సో అందరూ సిల్వర్ లో భోజనం చేయాలి. ఎవరెవరి దగ్గర అయితే లేదు మమ్మల్ని సంప్రదించండి. సో స్కీమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మా దగ్గర, స్కీమ్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి కూడా మీరు సిల్వర్